Hey everybody, welcome to Leon's Chainsaw Parts and Repair. We're going to do that unboxing that I promised you in the last video. This package has arrived in what might be record time from Ontario. Province of Ontario, not city. But still, I am thoroughly impressed to see it at my doorstep already. This was a saw for sale on Kijiji. One of my customers pointed out to me and said, hey, this would look nice in your collection, and man, Ron, you ain't wrong, buddy. Thank you so much for sending me that link. My goodness. This saw is rattling around. Gotta hope the rest of the cover's in there. But that's what I've been so excited about, folks. An XL-120AM. Man, I'm a little concerned now. I'll have to get a hold of Brian. That cover didn't make it in the box, apparently. I'll double check all this stuff. Never mind. I need to slow down and not be so excited. But how can I not be? This is so cool. So the XL-120AM would be the first in the 120 series. Of course, America, we had the 123. There was a 122 sold overseas. And this model followed the earlier style of saws that had an option of just an automatic oiler or an automatic and manual. You can probably see where this is going. That's where the AM comes in. Automatic and manual oiler. A lot of those early Super XL automatics didn't come with an automatic or a manual oiler initially. You could buy the kit and add it, but it wasn't until sometime in the early 70s, I believe, that it became standard. Now, let me get some of this stuff out of the way so we can give this saw a real thorough looking over. But I mean, I don't know how much this has cut in its life, but it isn't much. Where's that serial tag? This is a 1970 model. A 1970 saw that's this clean. Alright. That's an Oregon chain. Came standard with an Oregon chain. What do you all think the odds are that that's the original chain? Looks like it's been filed maybe once. Maybe. Okay. But I mean, look at this thing. It's still shiny. It hasn't been sitting in a window somewhere or outside. I thought that was a custom bucking spike, and I still do, but damn, not bad. Not bad at all. Look at the clutch drum. That I know is original. Those teeth. There's no wear on them. The bottom. Back of the throttle handle. Nothing. It's about as close to a brand new saw as you can get without it still being in the box. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And here is what I guarantee is the original hard-nosed bar. Most of the silk screening is still there. Groove isn't all wallered out. that saw has an hour worth of cutting on it, I'd be shocked. So somebody's put a Tygon fuel hose in it. Are you guys as curious as I am? I hadn't planned on starting it because I assumed the fuel hose was going to be rotten. If this thing starts and runs just right out of the box like that, that's as good as new. Better than new, because if it was new, I couldn't justify putting fuel in it and running it like this. The fact that somebody else already has makes it easy for me. Alright, let's keep our fingers crossed. I think I heard it. Oh man, that is so cool. That is so cool. Alright, well, I needed a good story after this 955 bad story down here. So, I'm going to get this cleaned up. This is going to get the full white glove wipe down. Probably even put a nice coat of hard yellow wax on it and get it assembled for some pictures. But this is far and away one of the nicest used but original saws that I will have in the collection, and it's not a common one. XL-120AM.